Hello everybody, I'm here to do the Ice Bucket Challenge for raising awareness of motor neuron disease. Thank you to my wonderful nephew Jake Wilson for nominating me. Hang on, before I finish getting water poured on me by my lovely wife, I am going to nominate Chris Wilson for producing the offspring that nominated me, Jason Clare, because that's what friends are for, Tim Dufton, because you need a good wash, and a very special extra nomination for my beautiful daughter Chloe Marshall, because she really wants to be nominated. So, with no further ado... Holy hell!
You ran right away! You have to do it slow.
Let it go.